Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a bit different. So basically I'm going to be asking Nell 10 questions about my channel and about my Instagram, about my makeup kind of life, and she is going to answer them. If she gets it right, then fine. If she gets it wrong, I've got 7 things here. She can't see them because I've got a lid on it, but I've got 7 things here and I've numbered them 1 to 7. You'll like 3 of them and I don't think you'll like 4 of them. Right. So basically I've kind of evened it out, not really, but so she gets to pick a number at random, then I'm going to feed it to her on a spoon with her eyes closed and she's going to react and guess what it is. So if you want to see how this turns out, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So my first question, some of these I know she's probably not going to get. Right. So my first question, how many subscribers do I have on YouTube to the closest 10?
I should have looked this earlier. I was on your channel as well. I'm gonna say, it's hard. Also guys, if you guys know these questions and play along as well, comment down below.
Yeah, so comment down below your answer before she answers to see if you would have got them right as well.
I'm gonna say 15,000.
Oh! I've got 1,502, so that's right. No, that's right, that's the closest 10.
Oh, yay!
Hey, I'm editing this now and I've just realised I haven't got 1,500 subscribers. I have 2,500. But we'll just go along with it, and she got away with that one.
How many videos do I have on my channel currently?
I'm gonna say 35. No. I don't know. I'm gonna say 37.
Okay, the answer currently is 56.
56?
So, what number are you going to pick out of 1 to 7?
5.
Okay, look away.
Oh, God.
Right, come here and close your eyes, please.
I'm scared.
Right, let's not go through all this. Come on, just brave it. It's going to go in your mouth either way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. Open.
Nutella. Oh, it's the M&M one.
M&M Chocolate Spread. Yum. So you got a good one there, so it's kind of good that you got that wrong. Okay, look this way. The next question is, what was my last video that I uploaded?
Your makeup collection.
Damn it. The next one is, what was the last video of us on my channel?
Oh, that's a while ago, wasn't it? That's like ages ago. Oh, it was that one where you turned my face into pink.
Was it? Okay.
I'm sure. I'm sure it was that one.
Well, you would be wrong because we did a Zoom one.
Oh yeah.
I forgot about that one too. Then I just remembered. So what number are we going to pick
Yeah,
now?
but you did do it specifically.
Specifically.
Online or actual together?
No, I said the video that of us, our last video together, which is that one. It is together, and you're featured in it. So what number?
3.
Look away. Right, look over and close your eyes. Hey, keep it in your mouth. Don't. You got to tell me what it is. That's not even a bad one.
I actually just got her.
Just eat it. You can eat it. I eat it.
Oh my God, I'm laughing, crying.
Is it that bad?
Yeah.
It's not though. What is it?
It's like cheese and prawns in that.
No.
What is it?
Guess. it's just sour chive and onion or something. You know what you dip
Oh,
Doritos
gosh,
in?
yeah.
How many Instagram followers do I have to the closest 100?
How am I meant to know that?
You know.
So
So it's something point something thousand.
right. Could say
Come on.
okay, I'm gonna say 5. No. 7.8 thousand. Okay.
17.4 thousand.
17.
17,000.
I thought it was like
Yes, it's just 10,000 more.
I thought it was like it's gonna be high. It's gotta be at least high.
Right, what number are we picking?
Oh my god, 1. No.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. Right, look
No, I can tell by your face.
Look away. You've picked number 1.
I know I'm gonna pick 7. No, look away. 7.
You've said number 1. Come on, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. In the camera. You haven't even got any.
I can taste it.
You only got a tiny bit, so you can't even moan at that. Sam eats that
Mum,
on toast. It's just,
bye.
it's on the teeth. It's horrible. Oh, I hate it. It's called Bovril. It's beef. It's like beef in it. It's disgusting. Sam eats it on like toast and that. It's gross, isn't it? Some of these are easier
It's
now.
because it was all stuck to my teeth.
Yeah. Right, next question. These, you might get all of these now. What is my favourite makeup brand?
Jeffree Star.
Yes. What is my favourite makeup step?
Oh, you said this just now. Your Lisa's brows.
No, but we're not talking about that.
Yeah, I know, I'm just thinking. Your Lisa's brows. So your favourite is lips.
I said I don't really like doing my lips.
No, you said your Lisa's brows.
Yeah, no, I said I don't really like doing my lips. My favourite is my eyes.
Okay.
Or my face. So what number are we going for?
Number 7.
Look away.
No.
I'm going to do this either way, so look away, I don't even know what it is yet. Open.
I'm scared.
Well, if you think you've had 2 bad... No.
2 bad ones.
Yeah. And you've had 1 good one, so you're more likely to get a good one than a bad one now, so come on. Open.
I don't know. Like a toffee kind of thing.
No. No. It's nicer, isn't it?
I don't know.
Neither do I. It's a biscuit spread. It's like Biscoff to go on toast and that, but I had it on toast. I'm glad you're wiping your makeup in my top. I had it on toast and I was like, oh. It's like thick.
Yeah.
Thick. What's my least favourite makeup step?
Brows.
Yeah. Name 3 creative makeup looks that I have done. And you get 10 seconds. 10.
What? Right, okay, so you've done
9. 8.
your rainbow one.
7.
Charlie, stop! Stop! Rainbow,
5.
drippy, and
4. 3.
Stop.
2.
You have a rainbow.
That's not an answer.
Yes, it is. You've done 2 rainbows.
You have not specified which ones. If you say rainbow, you've got 1. You said rainbow look. I've done about 20 rainbow looks. You can't just say rainbow look and another rainbow look. 2.
Start from 5 again. That's not fair.
Well, that makes you 15 seconds.
7.
5, 4, 3,
Sweet your rainbow.
2,
Your...
1.
I could
Pick a number.
No! That's not fair. 10 seconds.
You had 15 actually.
Well, 15 then. What numbers have I done?
And just pick a number and I'll tell you if you've done it.
I do 4.
Alright, look away. No, look over. Open. Open.
Oh, sprinkle your Joker's cake.
Icing. It's alright, isn't it?
It's just sickly.
Can't you get a good one? You can still complain. Last question.
Oh, last question. Oh, good.
But maybe I'll do a bonus.
No.
Who is my favourite YouTuber?
Well, your favourite brand is Jeffree Star. I'm gonna say Jeffree Star.
No. She's called Soph Does Nails, but she doesn't do nails. I think it's called Soph Does Half Now, but Soph anyway.
Well, how am I
We
meant
used
to
the
do
highlight and
that?
palette. Well, you weren't going to. Pick a number, any number. I was going to say Jeffree Star, and then I thought, well, I don't love his videos. I watch other people's videos more. I just like him.
6. I think that's all of them then.
Well, I'll just pick one that you haven't done. Anyway, 1 or 2.
2.
Open wide, my friend. Open wide, my friend.
No, because it's big, isn't
No,
it?
but it isn't. It's just your mouth is so close that I can't get the spoon in there. Move your hand. No, put it back in.
I hate that. Take it
Put it back in now.
No.
That's it. And the one that you missed out on was Marmite.
Good. I'm so happy that.
If we get 30 likes on this video, 30 likes on the video, I'll do it.
Okay, guys, please like it up. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
Don't like the video.
Please like the
This is
video.
one time I say don't like the video.
I really want to do it to
You
her.
can subscribe, don't like the video.
Like the video, please. At least get to 35 likes. Because then 30, I can do it.
Yes. So, if you enjoyed this video,
Please like
please
it.
don't like it.
Like it.
Comment
I'm
down
going to be
below.
liking it as well.
She'll be like contacting all the family members, everybody you like.
Yeah, I will.
So if you like this video, please do not give it a like, comment,
Like
subscribe,
it.
and
Do
press the...
everything like it, please.
You think she wants to do it? Well, you are getting it pretty bad because you've done this now. In a minute, we're doing one where I egg her. So. Fun. And even to get on the channel. So yeah, press the bell icon for notifications for when I upload more videos in the future, and I hope you enjoyed. See you later. So bye.
Bye.